Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to control infrared IR remote control using Arduino. This is the infrared IR sensor. And what is an IR sensor? IR receiver is considered an advanced sensor because it contains analog and digital circuits to process the signal received from a remote unit. Here I'm going to show how to interface IR receiver to a microcontroller. So here's my Arduino microcontroller. Here's the schematic for this diagram. And after looking at the schematic, here's the pinouts that you can see. There's 3 pins for IR receiver. One goes to 5 volt, one goes to the data, which is going to pin 11 of the Arduino, and here's the ground. And then I'm using 3 LEDs, 330 ohms. One is going to 10 of the Arduino, 9 and pin 8 of the Arduino. And then after looking at the schematic, you guys could also make this diagram on TinkerCAD. TinkerCAD is a website where you could do this real life breadboarding. So I'll put the link on the description of TinkerCAD, and I have made further videos about TinkerCAD. Check it out on my channel. After looking at the schematic, I made this using TinkerCAD and I saw that if it's working. So here's my whole Arduino code for this, and now I'm gonna click on verify, no errors, and then I'll upload the code. When it says done uploading, so now I'm gonna show you guys my output for this. Okay, so you guys can see that I have to take the remote in front of the IR receiver and click on 1, because I said on my code I said that if I click on 1, the LED, my first LED should be on, and if I click on 2, it's gonna be off. Now I'll keep it on and show you guys. If I click on 3, my second LED is gonna be on, and if I click on 4, it's gonna be off. So keep it on, and if I click on 5, my third LED is gonna be on. 6 is my off button for the last LED. So first LED on, turn it off, 2. Third LED, second LED on, and if I click on 4, it's gonna be off. The last LED is on, 6 is my off button. So the IR receiver is receiving from this. You guys can see there's a little LED inside. From this is receiving I'm putting my input, so is showing on the LED. So this is how you do this simple basic project using Arduino. And this project is about infrared remote control for Arduino. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.